Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video guys, you can face the issue on the screen sometimes when you are working with .NET Core. So the error says unable to resolve service for type, and here it is the interface, and then there is the controller service which is trying to activate. So if you face this error, then you have to check the interface whichever is mentioned here. So that must be used somewhere in your code. So you have to go like like in this page I have used iPayment service. So you have to, so you can see that there is iPayment service used with payment service. So in .NET Core versions this will not work unless you map that inside the program.cs file. So in the program.cs file or in some of the older version of ASP.NET Core, you will see the startup.cs file. So in that you have to add the line, so you have to add the services as transient here, and there you have to mention both of the services like interface and the main class. So you have to mention those, and after that it will not give the error which you just seen in the first step. So whatever interfaces or services that you use, you have to add those in the program.cs or startup.cs file, and only then it will try resolving correctly while running the application. So now we will just run the application and see if we see the error again. So you can see this time we have not faced that error. So this is how you can solve the issue, and thank you.